Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a day in my life as a master's student studying data science. My days usually start between 7 and 8 am. My morning routine is always the same and it gives me the best start to my day. So I thought in this video I'd give you a rundown of my day at university and I'll talk a little bit about my course and what work I get up to. Today we have a lecture at 1 PM and a lab at 2 PM, both are for my module machine learning. I'm currently at the end of my first term at university before winter break, and right now I'm just focusing on getting my assignments done and applying for grad jobs. But first things first, let's have a coffee. After showering and having breakfast, I like to plan my day ahead. I use Google Calendar as a rough outline for the day, and I use Obsidian to create a to-do list. Today we have 3 things on the agenda. The first one being job applications, the second being attending the lecture in the lab, and 3, starting my assignments. I find being flexible with your Google Calendar is the best approach, as I never know how long a task will really take. After making a rough outline for the day, let's head to the library before my lectures. Even though it's freezing cold, let's walk to uni. So right now I'm doing job applications, hoping to bag a grad scheme after my masters. I've been applying all over the UK for data analyst and data science roles. October to January in the UK is usually the time companies will post their grad scheme, so make sure you prioritise it early on. After I briefly read over the notes for my upcoming lecture and I went to lunch. This week's lecture was all about linear regression. It's essentially fitting a line to a bunch of data points to help predict where a new data point would lie. For my machine learning module, each lecture introduces a new concept or algorithm, such as linear regression, k-nearest neighbours or cross-validation, and the professor goes through a pre-made notebook with a pre-made dataset and shows us why and how to apply it. We then apply this knowledge in our labs. My labs are usually 2 hours long and they're a great way to get familiar with the content. After the lab, I headed home to carry on with work. Here you can see me editing this very video, and later on I'll be starting my AI ethics assignment for another module. It's all to do with AI being involved in drug development and the pros and cons that come with it. So I thought I'd use this time to talk a little bit about my course structure. I have 4 modules this term and 3 modules next term. This term the modules include learning Python and getting to grips with its libraries such as pandas and matplotlib and scikit-learn. My other module is machine learning, which I showed in this video, and 2 more modules, one getting to grips with SQL and the other getting to grips with probability and statistics. It's really just building foundational knowledge as many people come from varying backgrounds. And next time we delve further into machine learning and data structures. I'm planning on going into further detail about my course in upcoming videos, so please stay tuned and thanks for watching.